know that bathing time, I'm about to just go grab a shower real quick. Like, trust me, I wish I never had to go to this party, but party must go on. Alright guys, so the most part I'm ready. Look in the mirror and stuff, checking myself out. You know, I look alright. You know, looking half decent. Tell me what you guys think, you know what I'm saying? I'm out here. I'm pretty much wearing like a blue top, blue jeans, really tight jeans, man. I didn't want to show you that. We call those jeans squeezing the balls. And I'm gonna be wearing like a brown shoe and stuff, blue and brown. Yo, the light, man, you know what I'm saying? But that's the pre right now. I might be a little bit off time, I don't know. It's like 4 minutes after 12 o'clock. I told him actually like 11:30. But last night he called me at 12:30. So like, I don't think they're gonna be ready that time, but I just messaged him all ago. And hopefully, let me see where my sister is. He said Ross. I don't know what I mean. Yeah, no! From the party? So I just got to Matthew real quick. Hey, look, I'm just putting on my socks real quick. You know what I mean? You guys don't even know like how long I wanted one of these type of socks, the no-show socks, because I normally used to wear like my crepes with no socks at all, but finally got them. Boss there, ready, clean cut, fresh shirt, well, yeah, same one. Shoes well matching. Everybody not blue tonight, you see me?
Was that a planting?
Not a planting, you see me? So it's remember to add me guys on Snapchat. Snapchat normally is posted at the beginning of the vlog. You don't know, because sometimes when I do stuff on my Snapchat, some stuff you won't see in the vlog here, some things you see on Snapchat, vice versa. Don't know. Yush. Alright, you know they're on the roadside, I know you don't know. Check in, you see me? Almost there, Yush pretty much. So I wait for until the water park. It's like 12 o'clock, I go to 1 o'clock in the morning and we're still out here lit, man. Lit.
And then you ask her, what are the things they've been telling you? You ready? I got to stop them from compelling you. Tell them they just won't stop me from getting you. Sing for ladies. No, the girl never sing. Make up play some real reggae music in our youth now. Oh God! I want to meet some nice lady. I got some other girl. You will ask them. I'm running to that. Responsible for what you do now. Don't buy the nights not to share you. Then you run away from
so no bad mind or haters can't stop.
You lurk on every corner.
Who play some reggae music?
Don't you want my friend?
Warm up yours. Get some rum in your system. Take responsibility.
I've got to take myself away from all these things that hurt.
When the people in my bun real high grade ganja and I use lighter in their ear, tell them.
Drive out.
People that time. We don't send you for life in a youth. Remember when Carter like the only artist in 2000? I will did say again that. Let me see the real 90s people in Zanyush. Let me see. Let me see. If you miss somebody, just put your hands in the air. If you have a friend that passed away.
Don't even have no friend that passed away. But still put me on the area, isn't it?
Jazzy team play 90s. All the chicken heads, big flying. Come on. Everybody jump. Everybody jump. Everybody. Don't this shit make a nigga want to jump.
Bartender at them.
We alone the fight the rising. When the time so we the banana, you put a run, either that your mama crack. We are cracking at the morning. We are like the woman bunny cracking the morning. Murder people in your broad daylight. 6 years they want me, so me send me the army. We got to spend them like a Yankee. Yo. What do you do?
Some me grow. Foreigners if we never know. Ask the tourist schools. Kappa shot Steve. We are no matty man. We got this on the mind. Love the pussy, but we never buy. We don't see that. Right? Yes, but daddy no crackhead, no lie. Watch when you want your good live on the channel. How that do this? Like a tourist man of they want to know what's the road, mother. They feel the road, mother. Smoking weed and drinking medicine. Know what's the road, mother. It's in the road, mother.
Boy, no, I need to go on a pit. Let up
all the money I got. People. Everybody. Level. People. This is Yush. When you talk about the original rapper from the 90s, me now go play no normal song now. You know me attack. Everybody remember that song now. Yes! What's the mixer now? Everybody now you sing. All I do is cash out. And if you ain't a host, one who will want you. 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 One who. I had this bag with some tail. She was what the hell I mean? Put the $5 and pearls I mean. Should have seen them 6 shining on the wrist. The policy, my dough is like. Now my baby on y'all niggas like. When the song goes, Tina me call tonight. We never gonna talk tonight. Talk the line. Sweet my life, keep so easy high. Talk the fly. Yeah, but they know yes. Yeah, I'm pretty, but I'm low, the loud got me moving slow. Hey, I'm Tweety, where the hoes, bro? Hey, I'm Keys, where the hoes, bro? That other nigga, he a bozo. It's a man, you don't know.
Yo, all I can say is another one. That event is a fire.
baddest event.
Shot. Holy camera.
The baddest event we go so far. The whole dream making. You see me I say? Think shell. We are trying to get myself out here so all this traffic and shit. You know what I'm saying? Shit, man. That's the experience, bro. Whole heap of freaking nice on the road. You see me, I say whole heap of people. It's crazy out here, man. I just want to get home, all of this, and got my bed. I say Kande.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, run it now. A mad thing. Sebe, how much it?
You want one Japan? You want soup?
See it here? Corn. Mad thing. I got my corn, yo. I'm good. I'm lit, fam. Yep. Yo, that was a really lit party. And all.
No lie.